Hello guys, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Water Sign. Ayan, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. By the way, baka gusto mong magpa-reading kay Jing Tarot Reader ka na lang magpa-read. Or open din naman ako sa reading, kaya lang if you're willing to wait, ayan, may mga bracelet tayong available. At honestly, mga 1 week or more, ayan, yung ano kasi medyo busy ang schedule ko. Unipree TikTok shop, puntahan mo na lang diyan. Pwede ka mag-check out ng bracelet and then pagka-receive, tsaka mo ko i-chat kung ano yung reading na gusto mong gawin. Astrological, tarot reading, palm reading, pwede. And if you're interested, kung malapit ka, Jelly's Restaurant, Naga Road, Las Piñas. Ayan po yung isang business ko. So you might want to check it out. Malapit yan sa Watson's and Generica. Ayan. So, let's start. Water sign, Philippines. What do we have here for water sign? What do we have here for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? Mga water sign, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Ano meron sa ating mga water sign? Okay, let's start your reading. Water sign. Six of Swords. Seven of Pentacles. Temperance. Bottom of the deck is the King of... this is the Knight of Cups pala. I see this as a past energy with the Death card, the High Priestess. Pwedeng may soulmate connection sa inyo ng person na to. Knight of Cups. I feel like you do love this person. Mahal mo siya, interesado ka sa kanya. The Nine of Swords. Pwedeng may problem or stressful connection sa inyong dalawa. Kaya parang may ending or kaya nag-end. And now you're moving on with the Six of Swords. Nag-move on ka. With the Seven of Pentacles, you're focusing on money or finances. Some of you parang ang tagal ng growth. Pero you're patient. You're a patient person. You are someone na very committed ka sa mga ginagawa mo. If it has something to do with a work or career or maybe a business, may goal ka kasing na tao, and ikaw yung matyaga, and ikaw yung tipo ng tao ng may mga plano sa buhay, parang minamanage mo ng maayos ang iyong career. So, with regards to this past person, I feel like naghihintay ka pa rin sa kanya or naghihintay ka pa rin. Yung iba sa inyo may hinihintay ka rin matapos. It could be anything. It could be something to do with love, friendship, etc. Or maybe may matapos na kontrata, pwedeng ganun. Sino tong person na makakonect mo pagdating sa love? For the sign of water sign. Person na nakakonect ni water sign, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. For the sign of water sign. And you have here the Justice card, the Page of Swords, and Six of Pentacles. The Justice card, honestly, this is this person could be married, pwedeng may anak, may children. A Justice card is marriage, and the Page of Swords could be may mga anak or may anak na itong taon to. Six of Pentacles, this person is I feel like distracted siya sa mga bagay na nangyayari ngayon sa buhay niya. Queen of Swords is here, so pwedeng may mga pagka-cut off na ginagawa itong person na ito. So, pwedeng gina-cut off ka niya. Maybe, especially with the Justice card, pwedeng if may marriage na involved, no? Pwede ngayon, gumagawa siya ng changes pagdating sa sarili niya. Tinatry niyang i-discipline ang kanyang sarili, no? And with regards, nakakaamoy nga pala ako ng burger. This could be a reading. So, it's like some kind of hard truth ang tinatanggap or ina-accept ngayon ng person na ito. Kasi masyado siyang naging immature. Pwedeng ganun. Ano yung mga emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. You do have the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, dalawang Queen, and the Knight of Wands. With regards dito sa dalawang, you could be dealing with two people. Queen of Wands and Queen of Pentacles. And what's with the Knight of Wands? The Four of Swords. Sa ngayon, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo eh. Diba? Kung saan ka komportable or I feel like you're just focusing on yourself. Inaayos mo yung sarili mo, maybe your diet, etc. Emotions ng taong ito sa'yo. The Fool, Four of Wands, and the Magician. This person is a risk taker. With the Fool. Wala siyang pakialam sa kung anong kahihinat na ng koneksyon. Basta kung gusto kanya, sasabihin niya yon. Wala siyang pakialam kung ito'y magtutuloy or hindi. So, kung hindi niya sinabi yon, I'm sorry to say, this person, hindi ito yung reading mo. Kasi, this person is very impulsive. Yung parang bigla na lang. Hindi siya yung tipo ng taong takot, duwag, ganun. Hindi. Wala siyang pakialam. Magsimula mo siya sa simula't simula, wala siyang pakialam. Basta, gagawin niya to. And I'm feeling like, with the Four of Wands, this could be a stable person. Kaya wala siyang pakialam kasi alam niyang kayang-kaya niya eh. Kasi stable siya. There's a lot of, with the Magician, ipapakita niya sa'yo or gagawin niya yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Or ipapakita niya yung best version niya para sa'yo. Kung talagang gusto ka niya. So, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate sa part na to, hindi ito ang reading mo. Kasi itong taong to, talagang may action sa kung ano yung emotions niya para sa'yo. What will happen in the future para sa'yo? Water sign. And then your future for water sign. You do have here the Three of Cups, the Sun. Three of Pentacles. Page of Wands. May nakikita akong pagbabalik ng komunikasyon, connection, or maybe a friend is coming back. A person in the past is coming back. And this time, maging mas maayos. May growth tayo, especially pagdating sa pera. I can see may involvement ng pera dito. With the King of Swords, I feel like, may mga bagay na hindi kaya pero kakayanin. Someone in the past is coming back ng luhaan or parang luhaan na babalik itong taong ito sa'yo. Or it could be because may kinalaman sa connection ninyo, or maybe because of his or her mood. Dahil yun ang mood niya, luhaan lang, umiiyak siya or wala siya. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa inyo, pwedeng there's a stressful moment with the King of Swords, so may problema. Pwede kaya siya luhaan or umiiyak, and there's communication here. And itong moment na ito, magbibigay ito ng happiness para sa'yo because this person is coming back. Especially there's Neptune and Saturn retrograde, so may pagbabalik. If this is a past person, pinakawalan mo na in the past, nilet go mo, mahal mo, bumalik sa'yo. I feel like this is the time na talagang para sa'yo itong taong to, and you have to accept this. Diba? May kasabihan nga tayo, kung mahal mo, pakawalan mo, pag bumalik, sa'yo talaga yan. So this person is coming back. And kung ano man yung mga emotions or feelings dito, mailalabas. Okay? So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam PTV, Virgo Philippines, Libra Philippines, Water Sign Philippines. I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.